I am a quality engineer here at Eck Industries. I get to look into compliance. We are accredited to AS 9100. So, making sure that we are following all the processes according to the standard and per our customer specifications. It's making sure, everything is flowing smoothly. The other part would be like kind of figuring out, okay, why is this happening? Where is this coming from? And how can we make this stop? I stumbled upon a Foundry night when I was a very new industrial engineer. A lot of it is service focused, and the ability to kind of make things with my hand and like see the product which I make was very alluring to me. It's been a learning curve and kind of figuring out the whole system. We have lots of parts, lots of different sizes, lots of different work instructions, but it was a very enjoyable process, If you like making things, breaking things, figuring out why things work the way they do, it's a super dynamic environment. That's definitely a big plus.